First of all, put the raw materials into the carbonization furnace, and then close the furnace door and firewood at the bottom. If you feel that there will be smoke, you can use this burner. Including the early ignition is no smoke. The early heating is about 2 to 3 hours between. There is a process of dehumidification because the degree of dry and wet wood is not the same, so it takes 2 to 3 hours to dehumidification. When the moisture is completely discharged, it will produce this flammable gas. The flammable gas returns to the bottom of the furnace through the pipeline, is ignited for heating. This is the link of carbonization and heating. After 8 to 10 hours of this smokeless carbonization can be completed. Not open the furnace door immediately. Wait for the interior to cool first, and then it can be carbonized after cooling.
Introduction to the use of horizontal carbonization furnace. Put the raw materials into the stove first. After closing the carbonization furnace door, close all 5 valves at the bottom next to the stove. Then add firewood or other fuel to the lower hearth of the stove and ignite it to heat the stove. Start carbonizing the wood inside the furnace. Gas is produced when wood is retorted. The exhaust gas in the combustion chamber and the gas generated inside the furnace are dusted and cooled through this water spray. The dust-free gas enters the condenser through the pipeline for condensation to remove excess water vapor and wood char in the gas. There are cooling water inlets and outlets on the other side of the condenser. This is the water inlet. This is the water outlet. The 2 holes here are connected through pipes to circulate the water in the 2 condensers. The continuously circulating cooling water cools down the internal gas. After the gas cools down, wood vinegar and wood char can be produced. There will be a valve installed in the lower hole, which is normally closed. When the wood vinegar and wood char inside reach a certain amount, it will flow out through the small hole. The wood char is still at the bottom. After reaching a certain amount, open the valve to collect the wood char. Send the cooled flammable gas to this place through a fan. After dry distillation reaches a certain period of time, you can use a flame to try to ignite the gas that appears here. If it can be lit, open the 5 valves below to allow flammable gas to enter the combustion chamber and burn. Can save fuel.